How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and as the title suggests, today we are going to be talking about some overrated car mods, some mods that you guys might actually have on your build. By overrated, I mean that these car mods might garner some attention or clout in the car scene and are either just pointless or don't do jack shit to actually improve your car, or if they do, it's very minuscule. So in my opinion, they're just overrated. People are just buying these things just to buy them, just to look cool. And in my opinion, it's almost like a little bit cringy. Now, obviously, not all of these mods and their circumstances will make them overrated, as you'll see. But under the context that I will be explaining, you'll see they're a bit overrated. Go buy some real mods, okay? Go buy some stuff that will actually enhance your vehicle. Anyways, if you're guilty of any of these, comment down below how many you are, and let's go ahead and dive right in. This one right here is going to rustle some feathers, a lot of feathers, honestly. The whole flock is going to be upset. And I mean, I have some of this myself, so let me explain. We're talking about that sweet, sweet carbon fiber. I like carbon fiber. I think it's cool. But if you're going to put carbon fiber on everything, at least make your car fast first, okay? Let's at least check the boxes of a build, okay? Don't just throw a whole bunch of carbon fiber at a stock car. Don't put carbon fiber fenders, hood, trunk, all interior trim pieces on a stock Honda Civic. Like we're not doing that, okay? I don't care if it's a Type R. I don't care if your Mustang's a GT. You don't need all that carbon fiber for a whopping 300 to 400 horsepower. If you would have actually spent the money you wasted on all that carbon fiber on actual power upgrades, you'd be making some serious horsepower right now. But instead, you wanted to look cool on your Instagram posts and your TikToks, so you went ahead and wasted all your money on some carbon fiber. Carbon fiber does have its place. I have a carbon fiber hood on my Supra. I have carbon fiber on pretty much all my cars have a little bit of carbon fiber, except for probably the Civic. But I'm not one to just buy carbon fiber just for the sake of buying it. If I have a damaged body panel and they make it in carbon fiber, sure, I'll upgrade. If I'm looking for some extra heat extraction on my hoods, sure, I'll buy it. But I'm not just buying carbon fiber just for the shit of it, just for Instagram pictures and just for park and chills. At the end of the day, you can do whatever you want with your build, but having just a lot of carbon fiber isn't that cool, especially when we know that you still got the factory warranty underneath the hood. Like, come on, grow the hell up. Carbon fiber is strong, it's lightweight, it's cool, it's good looking, but you don't need all that. Not on your car, sweetie. Not on your car. If by some chance you're still watching, congrats. I didn't piss you off that much. Either that or you're just waiting to see what else is on the list. And trust me, it gets worse. Alright, next one. I don't think many of you are guilty of this one, so we'll go ahead and just swing at other people. We got the LGBTQ headlights, taillights, neon underglow, all of that. Anything that makes your car look like a goddamn PC setup, I hate it. I can't stand it. Nope, don't like it. Sorry. It's a car, okay? It's not a fucking gaming laptop. It's not mood lighting in your bedroom. It's not like come on, let's grow the hell up here. Like, I know a lot of you nerds are trying to get out more, but turning your car into a PC ain't it. Obviously, if you're going for a certain style of build or something, like whatever, again, it's your car, you could do whatever you want, we already know that. But personally, I mean, this shit's been super popular within the last couple years because it's become super affordable, and rarely does it look good. Oh, cool, your RT Charger has some rainbow headlights, big whoop. Oh, did you see that Honda Accord with the neon underglow and the rainbow headlights? Sick build, bro, said no one ever. I don't think I'm the only one that thinks that this shit is overrated, and a lot of people are doing this shit, obviously, just like the carbon fiber, just for the attention it gets. But this definitely serves zero purpose. There is no purpose to this other than photos, TikToks, and pulling zero bitches. All right, let's move on to another one that's definitely gonna piss a lot of you guys off. I'm sorry, I'm in a bad mood today. E85 on NA cars. Yeah, it's goofy. You're a goofy ass motherfucker. I'm gonna tell you that right now. E85 on NA cars. I understand my Civic is NA, but I have spray to go with it, okay? So I want the extra timing, you know? I want to be able to go ahead and add that extra timing in there. I want to go ahead and make sure that the Honda isn't going to go kabloomy or knock or anything like that. That extra octane's going to help because I have nitrous. But you throwing E85 at your BRZ, adding a whopping 15, 20 horsepower, Not worth it. It's not worth the payoff. Your gas mileage is in the fucking sewer. Your car's not gaining any more speed. You just want to take more Instagram fucking photos, just like everyone else on this list, with the goddamn yellow pump in your goddamn gas tank. E85 on boosted cars or other setups, 100% worth it. I love it. I have it on all my cars. Every single one of my cars except for the Subaru is E85 because it makes sense. But I would not put E85 on a naturally aspirated car. It's just the dumbest thing ever. I don't care. That extra 20 or 30 horsepower isn't worth the potential thousands it's going to take to convert it. And what, you're going to chop your MPG in half for 15 to 20 horsepower? Like, grow the hell up, okay? Spend that money on a turbo kit, then go E85. If your car's flex fuel, you're lucky, okay? I'm not talking to you. But if you're paying thousands of dollars to convert your car, pay thousands of dollars to make it faster first, okay? Come on. Let's check those boxes first. You'll thank me later. All right, this one may or may not piss off some people. I think a lot of you will agree with me, though. This is like overrated. This is cringe. This is the whole 9 yards. Super expensive wheels on a fucking shitbox. Who the hell thought it was a good idea to put a set of wheels 3 times the value of your actual car on that car? Like who thought that was a good idea? Oh, but they're real wheels. Support real wheels. Dude, you're buying them on Facebook Marketplace. You're not supporting real wheels. You're supporting the bozo that sold you them for a 200% markup. Your car's got every light lit up on the dash, and you want to go and waste $3,000 to $6,000 on a set of wheels? We all know you're gonna put lion hearts on that bitch anyways. Like, come on. Like, I hate this shit. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. You got holes rotting in your car, and you're gonna go and spend a lot of money on wheels. For what? That shit can barely drive. Once again, it looks cool. It's a flex. Blah, 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 blah. That's like the people making minimum wage going and buying Gucci. They look stupid, right? Yeah, it's the same thing. Don't put $5,000 wheels on a $2,000 car. Let's cut it out. All right, last one. And this one is kind of a given. Once again, gonna upset some people. It is what it is. Quit crying, okay? I know you're just raging right now, punching air, but you're a big boy, okay? You have a driver's license. You don't have to cry over a YouTube video. We got cold air intakes. Oh my god, the #1 thing that people buy whenever they get a car. Cold air intake. Oh my god, the first thing I'm gonna do, cold air intake. Oh my god, it's gonna wake it up so much. Cold air intake. No, it's not. I'm sorry, it's not. It's not gonna wake it up. It's not gonna do anything, okay? Cold air intake. Toss it on your car. You know what happens? Nothing. Not much, okay? The only way a cold air intake actually works is by tuning your car to make it actually, flow and know that it's flowing better. Like, hey, look at Yep, that works. Yep, that's functional now. Or B, pairing it with other mods, which also requires a tune. Long story short, don't just buy a cold air intake and toss it in. That little drop-in K&N filter, here. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the ultimate life hack right here. If an intake says no tune required, it won't do anything. You want to know why? Because it's sucking in the same amount of air as the factory air box. You fucking moron. Nothing changes, or it doesn't change enough to throw off the computer. Doesn't that alert you a little bit? Doesn't that make you kind of think like, it doesn't make any goddamn sense. These people are fucking stupid buying these K&N intakes that don't require tunes, or they just decide not to tune them for fuck all reason, and they're not gaining any horsepower. Like, you might gain a little noise, a little induction sound, maybe some flutter or something if you have a boosted car, but you're not gaining any power. You're probably actually losing power because your car doesn't know what the fuck's going on. Cold air intakes obviously have their place. If you want to pair it up with a downpipe and a tune, that'll definitely wake up your car. That little fucking WRX is going to breathe a hell of a lot better. But just tossing a drop-in filter or some cheap Amazon intake on your fucking O2 Accord, again, not doing a whole lot. Sorry. I know that's not what people want to hear, but education is the best way to improve yourself. Constructive criticism is worth a hell of a lot more than a compliment. Ignorance is bliss, but quit trying to be ignorant. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that is my quick list of some overrated car mods. I'm sure I could think of a few more. If there's any more, or you guys want to see a part 2, comment down below which ones I missed. I'm also going to be making a underrated car mod list. That way I can actually enhance your guys' builds and give my little knowledge just to help you guys out. So if you want to see that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you can flock to the video with everyone else. Thank you guys for watching, and until next video, Peace.